Just another day. I see the Subi not around. Shit, man. Got a long day ahead of us today. Shit. Oh, you get into the details though, right? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Back, bro. So, if y'all saw the last video, gave y'all the whole 411, all the info on what was going on with this bitch. The Subi's dropped off. She at the shop right now. She should be pretty much done, so I think I gotta pick her up today. But right now, it's about 7:45 in the morning. I'm about to slide like 30 minutes away. Yeah, it's probably like 30 minutes away. Go get my oil change, go get this alignment done. Talk to these folks about these tires, see if they got anything up there that I want. Boy, coming up on 4K miles, 4K straight. Let's go, man. I really wanted to do this shit in my freaking driveway, but dodging these damn rules and shit, bro. 4,000, you heard? Gonna get that oil change though. Hold on, nigga. Oil pressure, oil life, 34%. But let's get it back up there though, man. I ain't gonna lie. That's the fuzz up there. We ain't fucking with them niggas though. Hold on, y'all. Whole lot of Widebody engine. That was cool as fuck. Oh boy, lit. You got the Widebody. Pull up on me. Cool deal, nice car. Shit, I got 4,000. I got her 4 months ago. Nice car. My man said he only got 200 miles on it, man. You see that motherfucking yellow gold, the shiver guard? I respect it. Well, we got 6 minutes until we get there though, y'all, so I'm gonna holler at y'all in a little bit. So, made it up to the armory, you guys. I just wanna get a video real quick. Dropping her off with 4027. So, yeah, I do YouTube, sorry fellas. Alignment coming, oil change coming, I need this shit done, man. This shit needs to be clean, my gosh. Fellas, I appreciate it, cause every other Dodge place told me like 3 weeks out. Take care of it for me, please. Good looking. Alright, so they told me about like an hour and a half, maybe 2. So I don't know if it's a thing for me to just like wait around. I got my laptop and shit, so I can like edit if I wanted to. So, alright. I'm new here, I'm sorry. This is my first time here. Shit, alright, y'all. Currently chilling in Dodge, man. You see what's going on, man. Yeah, I see what's going on, man. About to start editing and all that. I'm gonna be here for a while, so fuck it. Kinda already figured, so that's why I brought all my shit. What are you talking about? You don't know? Green Street Clothing. That's my boy Prince K shit, bro. Splashy Time, that's my boy Mike shit, though. If y'all want some merch, bro, go follow him on Instagram. I'll drop the Instagram and shit down low. They be having some exclusive drops, man. No cap. No cap. So, once you order what you order, if you don't get what you want that drop, it's clip. Nigga, you not getting it again, nigga. But, I don't know. I just feel like I need to make a clip, so that's why I'm like, alright, fuck it. But I see the vibes, though, man. I'm gonna holler at y'all when they tell me what the fuck going on. Shit. while I wait, I'm gonna go get me some motherfucking food. They talking about an hour and a half, so shit. Keep in mind, it's still early as hell. I'm about to see if I can get something to eat though. They ain't eating nothing all morning. That's bad work. Oh shit, I'm about to pull up to a diner. See if they can bless my ass with a little eats. Niggas hungry, bro. You know, diners give it up straight white for niggas. I'm just dolly though. Good morning. It's just me, yeah. Alright, bet.
Well, better go right this way.
Thank you. Could I get a water and orange juice, please? Thank you. I'm not a big breakfast type of nigga. I ain't even gonna lie, but I gotta find something. I'll be back with y'all, man. So, give y'all a little update on what's going on. Boom. Went, got the oil change. Boom. That was Gucci. But the alignment, it's a dub. There's more problems under the car that need to be looked at. Insurance need to handle that. So, I'm about to go drop the Scat off, pick the Subaru up, and then, yeah, they gonna handle all that. Jim gonna talk to them, let them know what's going on under the V, what they need to pay for, this, that, and the third. And yeah, Scat gonna be out of commission, man. Bro, it's not even gonna be seeable. Like, I'm gonna wake up and not see the Scat. That's bad work for me. Nah, bro. When she come back, it's gonna be a whole different. Let me get him back here. Let me just start this whole process right now, nigga. But I'm gonna holler at y'all when I'm at Jim's, man. Shit. You see this shit, bro? Like, damn. See how oh, man. Oh, man. My baby. My motherfucking baby. Damn, bro. Coming back black, refurbished, glossy. Get that. Put it paint. No, not that much. So yeah, man, I'm about to go holler at Jim, drop these fucking keys off to him. Yeah, man. Pick up the Subies. I don't even see what's in that. Okay. But it's a fucking sad day, man. I don't want to do this shit, but it need to be done. I need to get her all cleaned up, looking brand new again. And I know he gonna bless. Make sure I got everything, cause she gonna be gone for a minute. So yeah, y'all, that's pretty much it, man, for the Scat for a little while. Gonna holler at her when she get back right, man. We're talking right. On the other note, got the Subi back. We Gucci on this, so yeah. We still rocking and rolling and moving. We ain't stationary. Still gotta get the moving, get this money. Yes, sir. Turn these lights off. You don't need that. I ain't gonna. It's hot as fuck out today. Boom. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this goddamn video, man. Like, shit. Hold on. So yeah, pretty much that's that. I'll holla at y'all when got the Scat back, man. When we get the Scat back, bro, I'm gonna be at the crib over here worried. Like, who the fuck out driving my shit? Fuck, I don't even got 4,100. So if I come back and my shit got more than 4,100 on it, I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna be tight. Jim, you was bugging. I'm kidding, man. You definitely hooking the nigga up, though. But until next time, man, I don't even know when it's gonna be, you feel me? But keep hustling, keep grinding. That's what I'm gonna be doing in the meantime, feel me? Stacking that bread, saving that shit up. All my Mopar owners, man. All my drivers, bro, drive safe. I be watching YouTube, seeing niggas cutting up and shit, bro. Y'all niggas be bugging. But just drive safe, man. Not for you and for other people. Alright. Stay safe, stay dangerous too at the same time. Until next time, you heard? Like, comment, subscribe. All that good shit, all that dumb shit.